Have you thought about doing video for your business, but maybe you're thinking that you don't have enough money right now to do it, or maybe you're too nervous to get in front of the camera? I have the solution for you. My name is Alex Rennie with Dreamcatcher Creative Media, and I would like to personally invite you to attend our Step Into Your Awesomeness video workshop.
Blown away how much I got out of that workshop. You get a professional video on your website, increase your SEO, and see your sales increase.
This workshop really helped me get clear on my message, and it also allowed me to become comfortable in front of the camera.
Learn from the best. John McDonald is an award-winning public speaker, distinguished Toastmaster, and professional copywriter with Virax Training and Communications. He helps you one-on-one to craft the perfect message for your business.
I was shaking, my hands were really cold, and I am so happy that I did this, but it's something that you've really got to do for yourself. Come see Alex and the crew and learn how to really sell you.
Join us for our next workshop, Saturday, May 26th from 9 to 3 p.m. in Calgary for just $227. Seats are limited. Go to dccreativemedia.com/workshop or call us at 403-607-1903. I want to help you share your message with the world. All right.